Hi guys, welcome back to Chloe's channel. And today somebody requested and I should do the burping video today, and I got popped to help it. So let's get started. Did not do it. Guys, did you do that? Guys, if you're wondering what my lips, I got my 3 lip glosses. And if you're wondering how to do cool designs on my face and lips, you'll comment down below, and then we will know. Then we'll do some face paint stuff and some lip gloss. I'm going to show you what colors I have. I have this grayish black, blue, and kind of orange red. They're really good on my lips. So let's get back to burping. You had to get the case of the hiccups. So, please like and subscribe, and for this thumbs up, I want 300,000 million. Bye! Guys, this is my last book.